As we're aware, strings must be written within quotes. Let's see what happens when we create a variable and put quotes inside of the string. In this example, we've placed quotes around the word players in our sentence. If we go ahead and preview this file in our web browser, we can see here that the text does not output as it should. To eliminate this issue, we need to use the \escape character. We must put one before the initial quote and one over here. Now when we save the file and refresh our web browser, we can see that the sentence correctly displays with quotations around the word players. And that is how you deal with special characters that you have issues with in JavaScript output.